and nandito tayo sa Angeles City to taste itong not your ordinary Samgy bowl.
Grabe, guys, this is Samgyeop Nyeomon. This is a Korean restaurant that is fit for students, pero may Kapampangan na lasa.
Yes, so if you want to know more about them and curious kayo kung anong lasa nila, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
Guys, this is our table. Ayan, pansin nyo guys, syempre mga sinaserve nila dito since nasa Holy Angel University, malapit tayo. Kaya mga pang student-friendly.
Yes.
Student-friendly rice bowls. Ayan guys, if we're gonna order just one rice bowl, ang pinaka minimum order nila dito is 129 pesos.
Yes, which is yung kanilang
Salad.
salad. Yes.
Either pork or beef.
Yes.
Now, if you're gonna order naman yung mga
Rice bowls.
it's
It's only 139 pesos.
139 pesos.
139 pesos.
Yun guys, if you're gonna partner an additional drink, which is this one, it's gonna be just 159 pesos. Isipin nyo guys, kompletong pagkain. Actually, even not just lunch, no? Even mga merienda during your break times. So better, this is a great merienda. Ayan guys, for only 159 pesos, you get a complete meal.
Yes.
So, ano yung mga flavors na available sa ating mga rice bowls?
For our rice bowl, so meron tayo kanilang enoki beef roll,
Mhm.
beef bulgogi, syempre bibimbap, Samgy rice. It's either pork or beef.
So, ito yun.
Yeah. Yung kanilang pork salad. Available din yung kanilang ramyun dito.
This is the ramyun. Ayan guys. As of for me, I think maghahabulan kami dun sa ramyun ni Mark. Ano sa tingin mo, bro?
Pwede naman natin tikman.
Okay, so hati tayo guys. We're gonna enjoy this one. Samahan niyo po kami. Yeah, just to add, so yung mga drinks mo nila dito are also available. So they have like mga milk tea at saka mga soda
Soda.
drinks.
Yeah, for only 49 pesos. Yung mga ganito kalaki yung
Ang laki na nila, ha? So good for takeaways. Alright, so let's taste them. Let's go. Guys, isa na namang kainan ang ating na-discover dito po sa Angeles City, and if you are looking for this kind of taste, no, yung
Korean Kapampangan.
so yung Korean Kapampangan restaurant taste ang hinahanap nyo, guys, go check out Samgyeop Nyeomon.
Yes, they're open from 10 a.m. up to 7 p.m. Monday to Sunday. And they are located dito lang yan sa may Lakandula Street, Angeles City.
I think para sa akin yung enoki mushroom, that is really different. Para sa akin, tinikman ko siya. Although it's Korean,
Yes.
pero parang naalala ko yung lasa ng longganisa, yung tapa, parang ganun bro.
Yes, kung kayo naman din, medyo no rice naman.
Yep.
You go for the salad.
Go for the salad guys. And again, if you're wanna refresh, meron po sila dito mga milk teas, mga refreshment at mga fruit sodas. So meron po din po silang mga branches sa may Clark, which is located sa may Comercio.
Yes.
Meron din po sila sa hypermarket SM City Clark, and meron din po sila sa Marisol. If you wanna know more the exact address po, go check out the fan page. We're gonna be included in this post.
Yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye guys.